and the Landlords and Tenants Association of Kenya, LATAK, directs all tenants not to pay rent until President Uhuru Kenyatta orders business to resume normal operations. Consequently, all the landlords must forthwith stop evictions, harassment, disconnection of water, electricity to tenants who are not in position to pay the rent of April, and thereafter with immediate effect until the government orders reopening of all the businesses in the country. And yenyewe nyumba itaoza, bado italeta pesa. But for purposes of the well-being of Kenyans, for Kenyans to stay in their house, please landlords, for Kenyans to stay in their house, because this is a collective responsibility for everybody. We all have to play our part. If we play our parts correctly, we can defeat this thing within 3 months and we'll go back to normalcy.
So whenever you have an issue, as a landlord or as a tenant, please, we are launching this number officially today so that anybody, if you are a tenant or a landlord, SMS the word a tenant or SMS the word landlord to 20777. We can reach you, we can communicate to you, and we'll solve issues that is affecting you. We have a rapid response unit all over Kenya in all police stations.